Good morning. It's time to do an update video. It's been like 2.5 weeks since I did my last video where I'm telling you about losing this last 10 pounds. And I'll be honest, I'm in the middle of a workout. And so I'm gonna show you what my workout looks like. But I realized I have this other thing I do every morning to help flatten my tummy and to make sure I'm investing in my weight loss, or fat loss, better yet. My weight is okay with me, it's just the fat loss that I'm here for. So I'm gonna show you what I do real quick over this way, like what I drink in the morning that is helping flatten my tummy and really reverse like stress belly. So let me show you that, and then I'll show you a quick clip of my workout, then I'll do a full body for you so you can see. But I also have to explain myself because it's been 2 weeks and my weight has stayed the same, but I've actually been eating a lot of junk because of stress. Not really junk, but like healthy junk, not really staying within my fasting windows, and also working out less. So I still technically am holding my ground, but we'll talk more about that later in the video. So here, let me show you what I drink every morning, and I'll show you my supplements. Okay, so just real quick, I tend to keep a little bit of water in the fridge so it's really cold for what I'm about to do here. So what I like to do normally is add the ACV to the cup, but what I'm gonna do is just add it to the water to dilute it and make sure it's already in there. So maybe about 2 tablespoons worth ACV. I drink that in the morning or at least once a day when I'm on task, and lately I have been moderately on task, but overall I'm coming back and I'm coming in hot. So here is the ACV water. Very simple. If you want to be fancy and add a little bit more electrolytes, what we do is we add some natural sea salt. So just natural sea salt, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And then your belly fat water is complete. You can drink this by itself and it does great things. But for me, there's something else I've been doing that really activates belly fat loss, and it's these guys. So let me pour this, spilling moderately as I go. So this is about 6 ounces of water. Then what we do is we add this little packet. It's psyllium fiber. I got the orange flavor. It doesn't taste like anything really. It has like a, you know how you drink seltzer water and it has like the essence of the like smell of, or like a slight, barely noticeable fragrance. So I found this and this has been helpful. And I've had this for like 6 months. So I go through phases where I use it and where I don't. Actually last summer, I think I bought this thing. But before that, I had psyllium husk powder. So I'm just adding a packet and mixing it in. And the trick is you have to drink this very quickly, because if you don't drink it very quickly, it turns into sludge. And the reason it does that is because when you drink it, it attaches to all of the waste in your system and pulls it out. So like it binds to it to make it easier for your body to release like stuck waste that's just kind of hanging out and weighing you down, slowing down your energy cycle, adding to your belly fat sitch. So I have my supplements as well. I'm taking ashwagandha, some iron pills, biotin, fish oil, what else is in here? Vitamin D, L-theanine, which is good for stress management, and I feel like, and a prebiotic, and I think there's something else in here, but I can't remember. But it was like probably like some mood support, St. John's wort, you know. So taking all these steps, here's what it looks like. It doesn't taste like anything, but I'm gonna just take my supplements real quick so it's done for the day and I don't forget. And if you want, you could add honey or sweetener here to make it taste like juice or tea, cold tea, but I don't really need all that. Okay, almost done. I'm gonna finish this real quick and then get back to my workout. Cheers.
Switch it up. Come again.
Hi. Okay, so I just showed you my last set. I do 4 sets of that routine when I want to do a little bit of a home workout day and I just don't feel like running to the gym. I'm about to go outside and walk, but before I go, I'm gonna do a quick full body, and then I have a picture of my weight from this week, and I'll just do a quick other thing. So we'll close with the body update, but I look the same as I looked before, honestly. And what had happened was I had my menstrual cycle, and my friends, I don't know what it was that happened this last time, but I had some elements of dysmorphia a little bit, where I actually was struggling to feel out what my body was like doing because of the bloat. And then I kind of spiraled and was like, whoa, which is real, it's honest. Okay, so I was having a hard time. And so I felt tired. I felt all of the basic symptoms like cramps, mood swings, tired, low motivation, a little bit more on edge, all the things. So I told myself during my menstrual cycle, I just get to be at ease and rest and do what feels comfortable. But when I'm out of that experience, I have to go back into my standard routine. So I actually ended up maintaining my weight of 182. So I'm still in my zone of not gaining the weight back. I just kind of have been plateaued through my week of having my menstrual cycle. But the good news is, now that I'm getting back into increasing my fitness routine, which was going well, and also, what was the other thing? Also, getting back into hydration, sleep, improving, and eating more in my OMAD or 4-hour window. So either I eat 1 meal a day if I just don't feel a lot of hunger cravings, or if I do feel hunger cravings, I try and eat in a 4-hour window so I'm still in a fasted state. So that is more structured now. And then of course, if I want a snack or a protein bar or whatever, I'll do that. But I think something else I'm gonna implement this next couple weeks is to get a bag of kale. I'll probably do my walk right now and go grab some kale since there's a new season. It's just right a block away. So I am going to, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go and get some kale so I can make a kale protein smoothie, because it also flushes the body out consistently, which is great. And I'll do my psyllium husk water every other day, kind of alternate, so that way I'm not putting a lot of stress on my body to do something new, let it gradually happen. And I think by the time we meet again in 2 weeks, we'll be either in the late 170s or at 180. That's the goal. So see you in the next clip where I show a full body. And that is all. So please tell me your weight loss, fat loss goals. How's it going for you? Are you doing 4-hour fasting? Are you doing OMAD? Are you changing any healthy habits? Tell me all about it in the comments. Tell me if anything stood out from this video that was helpful. I appreciate your feedback always. Take great care of yourself, and I'll look forward to catching you in the next video. May God bless you today. All right.